I began making t-shirt quilts in 1992 when my sister Karen arrived at my house with a trash bag full of t-shirts. Karen was a triathlete, and every time she went to another race, she came home with another t-shirt. Karen told me that she had heard about other people making quilts out of their t-shirts. She asked me to make one for her. At that time, I was making traditional quilts and had no idea how to make a t-shirt quilt. I asked Karen, how? She said she didn't care. So I spent some time looking at her t-shirts. I looked at how the t-shirts were printed. I looked at the size of the printing and at the placement of the printing. I experimented with cutting and sewing t-shirt material. I spent a lot of time thinking about the challenge. When I was studying the t-shirts, I noticed that some had big designs while others had very little designs. I needed a way to integrate all the different size logos into a quilt. To do this, I based my quilts on a 4-inch grid system. By using blocks that are divisible by 4, I can cut my blocks to fit the individual designs on the t-shirts. I don't have to leave too much space around a design, nor do I have to crop off the design. For example, a t-shirt with a small design on the front might call for a 4-inch by 8-inch block, while the design on the back might need to be cut with a block that is 16 inches by 16 inches. As long as each block used is divisible by 4, that block can be used in the quilt. The result is a quilt with many different size blocks. But what I didn't know was that I should be using iron-on backing on the backs of the t-shirts. Since I didn't know this, I just sewed the t-shirts to one another without any backing, and it works. As a result, a Too Cool t-shirt quilt is soft and flexible, unlike a traditional style t-shirt quilt with backing and sashing. It's the combination of a design built around blocks divisible by 4 and sewing blocks to one another without any sashing that makes a Too Cool t-shirt quilt unique.